World Most Modernized Drones of 2020. Forget your fighter jets and stealth bombers, because unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, is where the future of aerial warfare is. Not all combat drones are created equal, though. Some of them are just enhanced versions of surveillance UAVs, while others were built to be almost as capable as the most advanced jet fighters. Here are the 10 most dangerous and ultra-modern drones. 10. Avenger. The Anka unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has been operational with the Turkish Air Force since 2017. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, the UAV is designed to meet the reconnaissance, surveillance, target recognition, and protection requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. The total payload carrying capacity of the Anka UAV is 200 kilograms, which includes an identification front or full IFF system, laser designator, laser finder, and weapon payloads such as Rokistan Smart Micro-Munition, MML, Air-Launched Missile Launcher, and laser-guided Sierra 2.75 rocket. The combat drone is powered by a 150 horsepower turboprop PD-170 engine developed by Turkish Engine Industries, TEI. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,600 kilograms, maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, and endurance of more than 24 hours. 9. MQ5B Hunter. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ5B Hunter multi-mission unmanned aircraft has been operational with the U.S. Armed Forces for the last 2 decades, meeting all the standards set by the U.S. Department of Defense. The Hunter UAV is capable of carrying a total payload of 226.8 kilograms. It can carry multiple sensors such as electro-optical, EO/infrared, IR, and communication systems in addition to external weapons such as Northrop Grumman Viper strike laser-guided munition. Powered by a heavy fuel engine, the MQ5B Hunter has a maximum takeoff weight of 884.50 kilograms and a maximum service ceiling of 18,000 feet. The unmanned aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 120 km and endure for 21 hours. MQ5CE Hunter, a larger version of the MQ5B, is capable of remaining airborne for up to 30 hours. 8. KGJ-2, Wing Lung 2. Although only introduced in 2017, the export version of this Chinese drone has already proved itself in several Middle Eastern conflicts in the hands of the United Arab Emirates, while Pakistan and Egypt have purchased dozens of them too. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of laser-guided bombs and missiles, and the manufacturer claims capability to employ air-to-air armament. The drone can carry a maximum external payload of 480 kilograms. It can carry up to 12 laser-guided bombs or missiles, including FD-950 bombs, GB-3 250 kilograms laser-guided bombs, and TL-10 missiles. The medium-altitude long-endurance (MLE) aircraft can endure for 32 hours and cruise at a maximum speed of 199 km. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,200 kilograms and a service ceiling of 32,480 feet. 7. MQ-1C Grey Eagle. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle unmanned aircraft system, UAS, was developed as part of the U.S. Army Aviation Modernization Plan. Designed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAS, the aircraft is used to meet the reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition (RSTA) requirements. The UAS is designed to carry a total payload of 488 kilograms, while its full fuel and external payload capacities are respectively 261 kilograms and 227 kilograms. The combat drone version can carry 4 Hellfire missiles. Other payloads include EO/IR sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and communication relay sensors. Powered by the 165 horsepower heavy fuel engine, the MQ-1C Grey Eagle has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,633 kilograms. The maximum permitted altitude and the maximum speed of the UAV are 29,000 feet and 167 km, respectively. The US has a maximum endurance of 25 hours while the extended range version offers an endurance of 40 hours. 6. Yamapan United 40. The Yamapan United 40 male aircraft, also known as Smart I-2, is designed and developed by UAE-based manufacturer ADCOM Systems. The aircraft is in service with Algerian forces and locally named as Algeria 54. The multi-mission UAV is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms, which includes sensors and surveillance systems such as camera platforms, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, and sonar. The combat drone features 4 pods under the wing for carrying ammunition weighing up to 400 kilograms. The unmanned aircraft also has provision for additional fitment of external payload near the belly of the fuselage. Powered by a hybrid turbine-electric propulsion system, the aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 118 km and can remain airborne for 120 hours. The maximum permissible takeoff weight of the aircraft is 1,500 kilograms. 5. General Atomics Avenger. Initially named Predator C, indicating it as a successor to MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper long-endurance drones, Avenger is more of a departure, featuring a turbofan engine, internal weapon bay and stealth features. It can carry a staggering array of munitions, lift almost 3 tons of them, including on external hardpoints, and direct a fire at the enemy with the F-35 Lightning II's electro-optical targeting system. The Sea Avenger should also be mentioned, supplementing the platform with the capability to be based on an aircraft carrier. 4. Predator B MQ9 Reaper. The Predator B MQ9 Reaper is in service with the U.S. Air Force, NASA, the Royal Air Force and the Italian, French and Spanish Air Forces. Developed by GAUSS, the remotely piloted aircraft, RPA, is designed to comply with the STANAG 4671 NATO standards. The Predator B combat drone is twice as fast as its predecessor Predator and can carry 500% more payload. It is capable of reaching maximum altitudes up to 50,000 feet and has a maximum speed of 240 km and endurance of 27 hours. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 33110 turboprop engine, the UAV can hold a maximum payload of 1,746 kilograms, including an external payload of 1,361 kilograms. It is capable of carrying multi-mission payloads such as EO/I.R. systems, Lynx multi-mode radar, multi-mode maritime surveillance radar, electronic support measures, ESM, laser designators. It can also hold various weapon systems, including GM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs, and a GBU STAM kit. 3. MQ9B Sky Guardian. The MQ9B Sky Guardian RPA will enter service with the Royal Air Force as part of its Protector RG-MK1 program in 2020. Developed by GAUSS, the UAV is designed in accordance with the NATO STANAG 4671 UAV system airworthiness requirements and the UK DEF STAN 00907 design and airworthiness standards. The UAV has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,670 kilograms and features 9 payload stations, which can hold a maximum payload of 1,814 kilograms. It is capable of carrying combat payloads such as 500 pounds GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs and/or AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. The Sky Guardian RPA features Detect and Avoid (DAA) system developed by GAUSS. It is capable of flying at altitudes above 40,000 feet with maximum speeds of 210 km and remaining airborne for more than 40 hours. 2. Heron TP, also known as Item, is an automatic taxi takeoff and landing (ATOL) drone designed and developed by Israel Aerospace Industries (IAI). The combat drone is in service with the Israeli Defense Force (IDF). It is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 2,700 kilograms, which includes multiple mission systems such as synthetic aperture radar, SAR, global system for mobile communications, GSM, communication intelligence sensors, and combat payloads such as guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT6A1,200 bhp engine, the aircraft can endure for more than 30 hours while flying at a maximum speed of 220 kilotons. The maximum permissible takeoff weight of the aircraft is 5,670 kilograms. 1. XQ-58A Valkyrie. Valkyrie is the next logical step in the evolution of Valves, designed to serve as a support to the fighter jets relying on either direct control of its manned peers or onboard AI. It can scout the battlefield, engage the enemy and sacrifice itself to shield manned aircraft. The most impressive part of this whole ordeal is the price, as the drone is supposed to cost just $2 million apiece, on par with cruise missiles and almost nothing compared to actual fighter jets. Being almost as capable as manned fighters, but cheap and easily replaceable, allows an army to produce entire swarms of them, overwhelming any kind of enemy defense. While still in prototype testing stage, Valkyrie is expected to be put into mass production in 2021, defining a picture of future robot warfare.